Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. Sum number 13. Divide rupees 50,760 into two parts such that if one part is invested in 8% rupee 100 share at 8% discount and the other in 9% rupee 100 share at 8% premium, the annual income from both the investments are equal. Total investment is rupees 50,760. Let first part be X and second part be 50,760 minus X rupees. For part 1, NV of 1 share rupee 100. Market value of 1 share is 8% discount. So 8% of rupees 100, that is 8 rupees. 100 minus 8 equal to 92 rupees. Numbers of share purchased is equals to X upon 92. Dividend, 8% dividend. So dividend on 1 share, 8% of rupee 100 is equals to rupees 8. Total dividend X upon 92 into 8, that is equals to rupees 2x upon 23. For second part, NV of 1 share rupees 100, 8% premium, so market value 100 plus 8% of rupee 100, that is rupees 8. 100 plus 8 rupee 108. Numbers of share purchased is equals to 50,760 minus X upon 108 shares. Dividend percent equal to 9%. Dividend on 1 share equal to 9% of rupees 100, that is equals to rupees 9. Total dividend, numbers of share into dividend on 1 share. Number of share 50,760 minus X into 9 upon 108, that is equals to rupees 50,760 minus X upon 12. Since both the dividends are equal, 2x upon 23 equal to 50,760 minus X upon 12. Cross multiply 12 into 2x, 24x is equals to 23 into 50,760 minus x, that is equals to 11,67,480 minus 23x. 23x taken to the left, 20 plus 23x. 24 plus 23x is 47x. 47x equal to 11,67,460. X is equals to 24,840. Therefore, first part is 24,840. Second part is 50,760 minus 24,840 equal to rupees 25,920. Sum number 14. Mr. Samim invested 33.13% of his savings in 20% rupee 50 shares quoted at rupees 60, and the remainder of the savings in 10% rupee 100 shares quoted at rupee 110. If his total income from this investment is rupees 9,200, find his total savings, the number of rupee 50 shares, the number of rupee 100 shares. Let his total savings be rupee Y. In first case, his savings is equals to 33 upon 13% of Y. 33 by 13 is 100 upon 3 into Y upon 100, that is equals to rupees Y by 3. MV of 1 share rupees 60. Number of share purchased is equals to y upon 3 into 60, that is equals to y upon 180 shares. Dividend on one share 20% of rupees 50. 20 upon 100 into 50, that is rupees 10. Total dividend is equals to number of shares, that is y upon 180 into dividend on one share, that is 10, equal to rupees y upon 80. Total dividend equal to rupees y upon 80. Second case, his savings equal to, first was 3313, so total is 100, so second will be 62 2 upon 3% of y, that is equals to 200 upon 3 into y upon 100, that is equals to 2y upon 3. MV of one share rupees 100. Number of share purchased, total investment 2y upon 3 upon into 110, that is equals to y upon 165 shares. Dividend on one share is equals to 10% of 100, rupees 10. Total dividend y upon 165 into 10, that is equals to rupees 2y upon 33. Total income rupees 9,200. First dividend is y upon 18. Second case 2y upon 33 is equals to 9,200. Take the LCM of 18 and 33. It is 198. First term multiply and divide by 11. So 11y. Second term multiply by 6. So 12y upon 198 is equals to 9,200. 23y upon 198 is equals to 9,200. Therefore, y is equals to 9,200 into 198 upon 23, equal to rupees 79,200. The number of 50 rupees share is equals to 79,200 upon 180, 440 shares. The number of 100 shares, 100 rupees shares is equals to 79,200 upon 165, equal to 480 shares. Sum number 15. Vivek invests rupees 4,500 in 8% rupee 10 shares at rupee 15. He sells the shares when the price rises to rupees 30 and invest the proceed in 12% rupee 100 share at rupee 125. Calculate the sale proceeds, the number of rupee 120 shares he buys, the change in his annual income from dividend. First case, total investment rupees 4,500. MV of one share rupees 15. Therefore, numbers of share purchased is equals to 4,500 upon 15, equal to 300 shares. NV of one share rupee 10. NV of 300 share 10 into 300 equal to rupees 3,000. Dividend 8% of the nominal value. 8% of 3,000 equal to 8 upon 100 into 3,000 equal to rupees 240. Sale price for one share is rupees 30. Total sale price 30 into 300 rupees 9,000. Second case, MV of one share 125. Numbers of share purchased is equals to 9,000 upon 125, that is equal to rupees 72 shares. NV of one share 100. NV of 72 shares 72 into 100, that is equals to rupees 7200. Dividend percent 12%. Dividend equal to 12 of 72,100. That is equals to 12 upon 100 into 7200 equal to rupees 864. Change in income equal to 864 minus 240 equal to rupees 624.